The Houston Texans had been told that their former quarterback Deshaun Watson was sexually assaulting and harassing women during massage sessions, but instead of trying to stop him, the team provided him with resources to enable his actions and turned a blind eye to his behavior, according to a lawsuit filed Monday. The lawsuit against the team was filed in Houston by one of the 24 women who had previously sued Watson over allegations of sexual misconduct when he played for the Texans. Last week, the women's attorney, Tony Busby, announced 20 of the 24 lawsuits have been settled. Watson, who was later traded to the Cleveland Browns, has denied any wrongdoing and vowed to clear his name. Watson is facing discipline from the NFL over the allegations. He is set to have a hearing this week with NFL disciplinary officer Sue L. Robinson, who will decide if the 26-year-old violated the league's personal conduct policy. Robinson is expected to rule before the Browns open training camp late next month. In their lawsuits, the women accused Watson of exposing himself, touching them with his penis or kissing them against their will during massage appointments. One woman alleged Watson forced her to perform oral sex. The lawsuit against the Texans accuses the team and some of its employees of having been told or being aware of Watson's troubling behavior. Joni Hahn, the owner of a massage company that was contracted with the Texans, told police investigators that her therapists were aware of Watson's known tendency to push boundaries during massage sessions, according to the lawsuit. Hahn told the Texans, including the team's head trainer, that Watson was reaching out to random women on Instagram for massages in early 2020, according to the lawsuit. Megan Weisheidt, another massage therapist who worked with the Texans, told Houston police investigators she and others were well aware of Watson's conduct during massage sessions. When Weisheidt learned of the allegations made against Watson by a woman who filed the first lawsuit against him, she wrote in a text to the woman's former co-worker that she could reach out to the team's player personnel person, but they don't do much about the situation though, according to the lawsuit. Despite being actually aware of what can only be described as troubling behavior, the Houston Texans turned a blind eye. Worse, the Houston Texans organization enabled Watson's egregious behavior. The Texans also protected and shielded Watson, for Watson's own protection and the protection of the organization itself, according to the lawsuit. The woman's lawsuit alleges the Texans provided Watson with various resources, including rooms at a Houston hotel, massage tables and an undisclosure agreement the women were told to sign, that allowed the quarterback to further his misconduct with women by turning the massage sessions into something sexual. The Texans are also accused of having their head of security removed from the internet and Instagram video from November 2020 in which a woman had detailed alleged misconduct by Watson during massage sessions with her. In a statement, the Houston Texans did not specifically address the various allegations made against the team. We are aware of the lawsuit filed against us today. Since March 2021, we have fully supported and complied with law enforcement and the various investigations. We will continue to take the necessary steps to address the allegations against our organization, the Texans said. Busby said the lawsuit against the Texans was the first of many he plans to file against the team. Suffice it to say, the overwhelming evidence collected indicating that the Houston Texans enabled Watson's behavior is incredibly damning. We believe the Texans knew or most certainly should have known of Watson's conduct, Busby said in a statement. The NFL declined to comment on the lawsuit against the Texans. "I never assaulted anyone," Watson said June 14 in his first public comments since being introduced by the Browns in March. "I never harassed anyone or I never disrespected anyone. I never forced anyone to do anything." In March, two separate Texas grand juries declined to indict him on criminal complaints stemming from the allegations. Houston Police Detective Kamisha Baker, the lead investigator in the criminal investigation, told Busby in a deposition that she believed Watson had committed crimes in the 10 criminal complaints that had been filed against the quarterback. Baker also said that Watson's conduct during the massage sessions was escalating in such a way she believed that he would commit even more serious crimes, according to the lawsuit. After the grand juries declined to indict, several teams pursued Watson, who agreed to be traded to the Browns. Cleveland signed the 3-time Pro Bowler to a 5-year, $230 million contract in March. The 4 lawsuits still pending against Watson could still go to trial, but that wouldn't happen until 2023 at the earliest.